Hi guys, Nicole Bowling here. Just want to welcome you all to my reborn baby nursery. We have Jace, Harper, Colette, Robin, and the naughty Nanny McB. Welcome to my nursery. Well, hello everybody. Let me zoom out. So please ignore my mess, but we have a very special person today. We have two very special people today. Three very special people today. We have Daddy.
Hello.
Show him your grill.
Oh yeah, everybody, I got my grill fixed.
Here, let's get a close-up.
No, why?
Oh, look everybody. Daddy's got
Ready to go now.
Daddy's got his grill back. Say how Daddy got his grill back. This should be a good movie.
Or a song.
Or a song, yeah.
Probably a country song.
So we have Nanny McB here today, and she's excited.
Hello, everybody.
And she's very excited that Daddy's here.
Oh yeah, Daddy got grill back. Oh, you look so good. Yay.
So, what you been up to, Nanny McB?
Oh, nothing much. You've had me in the corner of the closet for a while now. I don't know why. I don't know if I did something bad, but I'm back. Hello, everybody. Hello. What?
I tried to pause it because I had to laugh.
Why are you pausing on me now? You keep me out of the closet. I gotta take care of babies. Yes.
Oh, how do you like Colette, Nanny
Oh,
McB?
she's just great. I love her.
She is wearing a little sleeper that I forgot I had, and it's Christmas. And I wanted to put her in that because look at her headband, Nanny McB.
Oh, that's very pretty. Did you get that at Hobby Lobby?
No.
No?
No.
Fancy gift store?
No.
Hospital gift shop?
No.
The mall?
No.
Did Daddy make it?
No, Daddy didn't make it.
Oh, it's very pretty though.
I made it, Nanny McB.
What?
Yes.
You made that without me?
Yes, I made it without
Why
you.
did you not tell me? I could have helped you very much. It would have been better if I helped you.
Oh, better if you help me.
Of course, I've got 78, 90 years making these. I made my own dress. Look at my dress.
Here, let's get a shot of your dress. Oh,
Oh, you should see my hat. Look at your hat.
Ooh.
It's very nice. Yes?
Yes. Very nice.
Okay, you see what I say? Then next time you make these, you let me know.
Okay, Nanny McB. But anyways, I just wanted to show her in her little Christmas outfit, little Colette here, and the little headband I made, or one of many, many headbands I made. And just remember, if you haven't seen the giveaway video before, this one, we're having a giveaway that goes till Wednesday at 12 a.m.
Oh, puppies. Oh, yeah, puppy. What were you scared for? Why are you scared of me? You better run. You better run, you little poopy head.
Nanny,
What are you laughing at?
I don't know.
It's not funny.
Okay, Nanny McB, don't get all bent out of shape.
I'm not.
Golly.
I want pancakes.
Well, I want pancakes too. We haven't eaten anything today.
Kisses. Oh, give me kisses. Oh.
Run for your life,
You
Maida.
scared doggy.
Run for your life,
You
Maida.
scared puppy, Maida.
Oh, it's okay, baby girl. That mean old lady scare you.
Oh, I'm not mean. You just had me in closet for a long time.
Oh, but I bet you're rested up, aren't you?
Actually, I'm sort of because I've been in the closet corner I cannot open the door by myself.
No. Well, now you're taking care of sweet Colette.
No, of course.
So everything... Ow! My toe! Ow!
What did you do to your toe?
Daddy just stepped on my toe.
No, you kicked Daddy's foot.
No, Daddy stepped on my toe.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be okay, Nanny McB.
Of course it'll be okay.
All right, guys. Well, I just...
You want me to kiss your toe?
Yes, kiss my toe.
No, I'm not kiss your toe.
Kiss my toe,
You're not
Nanny
baby.
McB. Make things all better.
You're not baby.
I baby.
You're not a baby, though.
I baby. Oh, okay. You don't have to eat my leg. Just kiss my toe.
I'm hungry, though.
Okay, so everybody, just remember there's a giveaway going on, and like I said, two of them are going to be for headbands, along with a newborn girl outfit. Oh, look at
Tomato.
Look at the baby. Oh, look at that. She loves baby. Oh, Nanny McB, are you making friends?
No, my nose is bigger than his.
Oh, yes, you do have a very large nose.
What are you trying to say?
It just means wisdom, Nanny
Of
McB.
course.
Okay, well, we better let everybody go so they can go enter the giveaway, because all they have to do, not on this video, but is guess, she wants more. Oop. Is guess the number between 1 and 100. So have fun, guys, and we'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody. Bye.
It won't turn off. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.